morning, guys. It is Friday morning. It's literally 6:05 in the morning. It's still dark out. We're just picking up Mike right now, and then we're gonna go pick up Felicity, and then we'll be on our way to Coachella. I'm like so tired and cracked out because I only slept like 1 freaking hour.
I'm sorry.
Hello.
Hello.
Are you ready for Coachella?
I'm so ready. But I also got 2 hours of sleep because I had like 4 assignments due.
Oh my fucking god. Yeah, I only slept 1 hour.
Oh, are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited. Ready to die. We're getting Starbucks. Okay. Sal got water.
I'm sorry.
I didn't order water.
It's okay. Show your nails. So cute. I love.
What's that?
Got my latte.
What app? Oh yeah. For my ticket.
Shit in the club for me, for me, for me. We got to the Airbnb.
I'm so tired.
Sal and I took the cuter room naturally. Now we're just gonna get ready for like 4 hours and then we'll be ready for...
Our host is so nice.
She's
Give us
really
free vodka and
wine.
wine.
She speaks my language.
We should go grocery shopping too later.
Yeah, get more wine, hahaha.
Oh, I meant like food. So we have stuff to eat.
Yeah, food too. Hello. This is the other room. Little Sal and I are getting ready.
Hello, it's me.
She's back. This house is so nice. We're just gonna get some food now before we head over. Got the food. Got my hash brown. My taco. Cheers! Eee! Another one!
Oh, I already took one earlier, so.
Oh my god.
He's in my.
Look at them applying sunscreen, haha. Hello! Thumbnail! Where are we going, guys? Coachella! Mike, you have to look at the camera. Hello?
Hi. Part of the water because it's all.
Hi guys, we freaking made it in! Ah! Hello, it is day 2. We are with this little baby. Hamilton!
Hamilton, look.
Hamilton!
Camera shot.
You're the star of this show.
He's so calm.
Look at him. Look at his butt. He's thick.
Oh.
You should have seen Mike for the first like 5 minutes of Blackpink. And he dropped me off. He was like kind of into it, and then he's like, I'm gonna go.
Yeah.
And then I was like, oh, okay.
He's like, I was not.
Can I borrow your blush? Mine's just like not showing up. Do you see that?
It's fun.
Ooh. Do I have to like pump it?
No, you just like do a drop. Just do a little because it's kind of intense. Josh got me a latte. Now we're gonna go to Marshall's, try to get a bandana. Me and Phil didn't get one because we were like, it'll be fine.
Nope, it wasn't fine.
It was not fine. So now we're gonna go get one right now.
It feels bad,
Because day 1 was so freaking dusty.
I can't breathe.
She's dying. This outfit. So Coachella. I love.
This is older than me.
Bring that in.
Feel it? Like cigarette knife.
I think a lot of people.
I met up with a lady and
I forgot to death. We're getting KFC.
Which one do you want?
Hi to the vlog.
Yeah, cheers.
When all your friends are shy.
You're ready.
Oh, okay.
My Amazon.
Trigger.
What are you eating, Mike?
Dark crispy kernel and some potato wedges.
No.
You should have done one of those like pot things. You know what I'm talking about?
I think I did that yesterday.
The neti pot thing.
Oh, not neti pot. You know the like Vicks, like Vapo, whatever.
Oh yeah.
Gracie's friend like shoved it in my nostril. She's like, breathe, and I was like,
I heard that.
wow.
You do bracelet, right?
Oh yeah, people were smoking cigarettes for sure.
Yeah, but
Put on the bottom.
we don't
then.
smoke cigarettes. It's not like.
I'll smoke it.
Oh my god. I disapprove this message. Do you guys want to try some mash?
I have mashed potato. Thank you.
You know who? I never got one of these until Dorian suggested it.
They're so good.
Mm-hmm.
Did you introduce me to these?
Mm-hmm.
My actual obsession.
I should have got one of those.
You get a lot of food too.
It's a shit ton of food.
Because you get a cookie and a drink. Hello, it is day 2. I'm with the Belle. I got $11 kombucha. What?
Just gotta say it, I'm so fucking happy, yeah. Swear to make you feel alright. I just had to let you know you're fine. I don't wanna waste no time.
Runs away from the camera.
Cause I'm bored. You could hit it in the morning. Yeah, yeah. If I love you was a promise, would you break it? If you're honest, I don't wanna be you anymore.
Hi guys, it is day 3 of Coachella. I have my latte again, of course. We're getting sushi. ASMR. We're just getting some sushi before we go in. So yeah. I'm having such a great time. I'm sorry I'm so bad at vlogging when I'm actually at Coachella, but I feel like this is more fun. Sushi, right? I don't know. Okay. Bye! We have a fell!
Just water.
You guys, we're literally feasting. Look at how fat these rolls are. Like, hello? Got some miso for the fell. Mike got like so much food.
You're not gonna finish that, bro.
Coachella roll, salmon nigiri, tuna nigiri,
Even the nigiris are huge.
chili roll, fried rice, salmon nigiri.
Yeah, figure about this fucking park. Yeah, the parking right there. That's it.
Walking to the shuttle.
Horizon.
Day 3, I'm ready. I'm wearing this tunic dress thing. Day 3, hello.
Now my girlfriend's one of them, bro. She's up there.
Ooh, this is so was Coachella?
It was great, but I'm about to piss myself.